Aduh. Nabrak lagi. Yo, what's up? Ketemu lagi bareng saya, gamers yang baru-baru coba gamers. Di sini saya akan coba memainkan game atau menghibur teman-teman dengan peralatan seadanya. Di sini kita akan coba mainin game yang sudah kita kenal dari kita kecil kali. Nah, langsung saja kita akan mainin game GTA 5. Check this out. Cantik ya. GTA 5 ini game yang bagus. Grafiknya bagus, gambarnya bagus. Jauh beda sama game GTA San Andreas yang PS2. Di sini saya baru mainin karena saya baru bisa mainin dengan PC saya. Kayaknya di sini kita ngerampok. Oke, kita coba jalan.
Hands behind your back. Come on, mister. We're giving you everything you want. Don't even think about it.
Tampak seperti asli kan? Itulah grafiknya udah berkembang.
Sit tight. I'll handle the blasting. Don't blow yourself up. Listen up.
Saya kemarin nggak ngelanjutin game yang sebelumnya karena saya sedang menunggu PC saya. Nanti saya lanjutin game Limbo yang part 4 atau season 4.
Come on. What is the problem? Why are they
Di
still
sini
out
kita
here? You
kayaknya
were meant to
sedang
lock them
berlima
down.
atau berempat.
In the back. Come on.
Bertiga. Berapa nih? Bertiga.
We didn't do shit to you. All set. Phone it in. I'm calling it.
Oh, di sini bisa juga nelpon.
Detonate.
Ada handphonenya. Buset.
Alright, we gonna do this?
Kita disuruh ke
Show me the money.
warna kuning yang bulat itu.
Slow and steady.
Oke. Ternyata di sini ada banyak uang. Bagi dia banyak, bagi saya nggak kerasa banyaknya karena uangnya cuma di game.
There's enough here for us all to enjoy. Depends on how you look at it.
Kayu baca sudah nak.
We gotta move. Coming out, B.
Lah, wih,
I got him.
kok beli sini gitu mana?
Get 1,000 things every day. How about you make sure this is one of them?
Baca harus
I've
dulu.
seen his eyes. He's crazy. No one's crazy.
Dulunya pindah kawan nak.
That's right, pal. I'm fucking.
Alah. Tekan apa tu dah. Ulang dulu dia. Oke. Kita ulang lagi. Mantap.
Let's get going. There'll be time for grieving later. Yeah, you got that right. Come on.
Kita suruh ke sini. Tekan key. Oke.
They're on a timer, so brace yourself.
Di sini saya ngerasa benar-benar berada di dalam game ini.
Oh, fuck, you hear that? Siren.
Bagus kan?
Fuck the cops. T, hit the shutter switch. Move. We're coming through.
Oh, banyak
Blame the
polisi.
bricks who
Wow.
called you out here.
Wow.
Fuck these guys.
Banyak polisi.
What the fuck is this? Wrong profession. Dumb fucking cops. Drop it, prick. Fuck you, buddy. You shouldn't have been a cop. I ain't laying down for them. Get out of here.
Kayaknya ada yang ngelapor kalau kita ngerampok.
They answered the wrong call. Get in their faces. Get down. Hey, get out of the way. We keep going forward.
Mana polisi?
Don't be an idiot. Back the fuck down.
Dia menyuruh saya. Awak dah
We
kena
bring it
tembak
to
tu.
them. You want to look at the face of death? Be my guest.
Seberang tembak je nak. Silakan naik nak. Tiang. Kan ni perlu. Nyuruh dia yang pandai.
Let's get out of here.
Kita di sini kayaknya berusaha kabur dari kejaran
Can't be many more cops in this town. Bring 'em. This is fucked, man.
polisi yang
The
korup.
thing is blown. I got my
Kan
share. It's
yang
still wide
di
open.
Indonesia.
Let's go. Move, come on. Kid might have failed. This wasn't in the job description.
Aku hidup ternyata.
Unbelievable. Come on, get to the driver.
Oke,
He
ada
better
lagi.
be there.
Kita serbu aja. Oh,
Let's
masih
move.
hidup.
Come on. Every man for himself.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. Mana ni? Kita naik mobil.
Get your ass in.
What took you so long?
Shut the fuck up and drive. Woo.
See that shit?
Huh.
Fucking put that bitch's face against
Ini
the
game
glass.
yang
You see
begitu
that?
legend.
Yeah, you're a real stout.
Saking legendnya kita rela mainin kapan aja, umur berapapun.
Go, 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 go.
Jeez, I think you're gonna... Fuck!
Local yokel spotted.
Guy's a dick!
Ganti getir. Aku kasih teman. Is.
Come on,
Oh,
let's get to
kita
the
yang
truck.
bawa. Inilah
We move quick,
game
we can beat the
GTA.
train. We're
Dari
getting there.
GTA PS2 sampai sekarang
Coming our way.
tetap aja
Be cool.
yang jadi
They ain't
supirnya
made
kita.
this car yet.
Bener nggak?
Man, I'll believe in this bird when I get eyes on it.
Yang
Shit,
supir
shit,
kita.
shit! Roadblock! Go right! Beat the train, man! Oh!
Yeah. Aduh, kena lagi.
You guys all right?
Fuck! Come on! Ditch the car, alright? We can go this way to the chopper.
No! Stick to the fucking plan! Come on!
Mereka lagi terdampar di rumah seseorang.
Where the fuck's the chopper? Fuck.
Siapa nih?
Around back.
Oh, the fucking bed! Someone must have fucking talked!
Alright, Brad's gonna be fine. We gotta get the fuck out of here. I'm hit.
Kok ditembak?
T, you gotta get out of here.
I'm gonna leave you, Mikey!
Go! God, I'm not gonna be fucking gonna bleed out. Go!
No! I'm standing here! Finish me! Come on! Come on! Fucking die! All of you!
Pokoknya ini polisi, kita cuma sendiri.
Kill me, you pricks! Motherfuckers!
Iya. Wah, tambah banyak.
Hey, you! Hey!
Siapa tuh yang dikejar?
Where's the chopper?
Oh, jadiin sandaran.
Fucking stay back! You come near me, she's fucking dead! Stay back! Go! Go!
Oke, kita terus berlari mengejar mimpi. Kok gelap?
Was not always a good husband, not always a good citizen.
Siapa nih yang mati?
He did not die a hero's death, but he was a man. Our Lord was crucified with 2 thieves. So perhaps he should not judge
Rockstar Games Prison.
born of sin and you die in sin. Like anybody.
Ini kayaknya temannya yang tadi, teman kita yang tadi meninggal, supir atau
But we know
yang tembak di
that you
pas
will
di
show
rumah.
mercy to our friend.
Nah, baru kita masuk ke game yang sebenarnya. Bagaimana kita mainin misinya satu persatu. Oke.
Your son, James. He's a good kid.
Ini bukannya yang tadi kan?
Good kid? A good kid?
Yang ngerampok
Why?
sama kita tadi.
Does he help the fucking poor? No. He sits on his ass all day, smoking dope and jerking off while he plays that fucking game. If that's our standard for goodness, no wonder this country's
Lupa saya
screwed.
namanya.
And what about you?
What about me?
Tambah ni apa nih? Samulnya.
I didn't have the advantages that kid has. By the time I was his age,
Alanya
I'd already been in
kayaknya
prison twice. I robbed banks. I ran whores. I smuggled dope.
And you consider them
jelas.
achievements.
These were the opportunities I had. At least I took them.
And where did these opportunities get you, Michael?
They got me right fucking here. The end of the road. With a big house and a useless kid, and I'm stuck
kita
talking to
langsung
you
saja.
because no one else gives. Come on.
Sini kita akan mainin misi pertama.
Damn, this nigga must got the baby dick.
Yeah, and all this shit paid for with bad credit.
Kita mencuri mobil sepertinya.
Which one you want, nigga?
Like that? Bobby big dick on a nigga, huh?
Shit, for real, homie.
Wis, mantap
Damn, this
bro.
motherfucker got robo roof and everything, nigga.
He should have paid the nizzo.
Man, you gotta grind to keep that shit. Now it's back on us.
Oke, langsung kita ikuti si lamar. Aduh. Kita ikuti si lamar.
Right up
Tidak.
here, homie. I'm about to go
Ini.
nice and slow for your bitch.
Mobil bagus ditabrak-tabrakin.
Hey, remember we gotta be careful
Tuh,
with
si lamar
these
di
rides,
depan.
homie. The Simeon ain't about to dock my pay again.
Homie,
Wis, pakai slow motion pula.
man, you need some bread? I can
Oi.
hook you up with JB's tow truck. It ain't got glamour, but
Enggak
it's some
dia
money to be
itu.
made.
So him and Tanya can smoke crack in peace? Homie, I'm good. Hey, dog, we be doing Simeon a disservice if we ain't test these rides out.
He ain't even gonna know if they good if we don't push him to the brink. You feel me? Right.
Okay.
Ditabrak pohon. Aduh.
Let's show these movie people how we roll.
Iya. Mantap.
Whatever, homie. Oh, we filming shit here, huh?
Down this dirty motherfucker.
Kita balik lagi. Wah, macam slower nih ya. Macam pesawat aja ininya, mobilnya. Udah sama mobil kita. Tuh,
We hanging the left.
entah kemana kita
But
dibawa.
I hear you.
Remember, this is your Terrier's car.
Yeah.
Wis, jumping dong. Satu lagi.
To the left.
Yeah, that's cool.
Woo, you wanna get whips like this, you gotta stay on your quinine.
Nigga ain't do some time over nickels and dimes. I stick to repos, dog. Hey, watch out.
Keep busting, low.
Hey, screw you too, homie.
Mana dibawanya nih?
We going right.
Yeah, whatever you say.
Dibawa.
Left here, we going through the parking lot.
Look out the way.
Oh,
Shit,
sini
cool, homie.
parkir. Enggak juga.
I'm schooling your ass, boy.
Please, homie.
Ah, di rumah orang. Ah, masuk
I'm
gang.
gonna make a withdrawal, homie.
You dumb
Yeah.
motherfucker, that's the Union Depository.
Hampir.
Gang crime is
Dah hancur mobil
What
kita.
you going slow up the road for, dog? Move over so the traffic can flow through.
Whatever,
Alah,
nigga.
hancur
I'll let something
barangku.
flow through your ass.
Dog, I ain't too sure that joke works, dog.
Shit.
Los Santos's legendary investigator was celebrated.
Kita disuruh buat ngilangin polisi dulu.
The security announced his fund had taken an 11% stake in Merryweather. Percival, meanwhile, was happy
Oi,
after defeating a
di belakang.
the expansion
Oi,
of his domestic operations. Expect more privatized high-security firms to begin domestic operations as the war on terror continues to rage.
gang crime is on the rise, and politicians are blaming lack of media coverage and
Hey, look out, fools like this.
recent fall in the popularity of gang movies, focusing on both African American and
kayak di Mas Wanted tiba-tiba polisi.
You're an asshole, driver.
Presenting struggling Richard's Majestic Studios will be revealing today on the news that another historic
Aduh, keren.
franchise has closed and will return to
Nabrak lagi, nabrak lagi.
there soon be nothing left in America
funding war between IAA and FIB intensifies after Congress promised to slash spending and both agencies
Kayak
recommend
ginilah.
it's the other one.
Mungkin di sini dulu video kita kali ini. GTA 5 part 1. Kita lagi dikejar-kejar sama polisi. Polisi korup. Kayak polisi luar negeri. Gak kayak polisi Indonesia yang jujur. Tentunya. Oke. Jangan lupa subscribe video saya, channel saya. Tunggu part 2 atau video selanjutnya. Oke, salam gamers.
Settle